When you say it like that, oh, got me falling right back.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be going through, breaking down some things that I'm going to be doing to this 53 Ford Customline. Excited about it. This one's mine. This is for me. Right now, so I kind of semi have it broke down. I'm gonna be doing motor swap in it, airbag system in it. Be doing disc brake conversion kit on it. A little bit of framework. No body work or nothing like that. This thing's pretty clean. Has a few little spots, but pretty clean as far as no rust issues and stuff like that. So I'm happy about that. Hopefully this will be pretty quick, but I'm going to be making a bunch of different separate videos on each progress as I go. So enjoy. Alright, as you can see behind me, I got some of the tear down done. I'm about ready to pull the motor and tranny, get that out of here, so that way we can make room for our motor and tranny setup that we're going to be putting in. We've still got a lot more work to do, but just wanted to show you where we're at so far. It's been a long day, but it's been a productive day. So, alright, let's keep getting it. What's up, everybody? Well, I just got done pulling the carpet out, and I got nothing but respect for those guys who do auto body work, and they do awesome jobs. And then there's the few that set themselves apart from one another, and they do amazing work. Check out this great fiberglass repair to a metal floor. Looks like I'll have a little bit more work to do. It's not too bad. Got a little over here, But this is what's great about those fiberglass repairs. They really seem to hold up to everything. Let's see what we won. Yay!